In this video, we will explore common Excel formula errors and equip you with the skills to troubleshoot them effectively. Let's master these errors together, so you can troubleshoot like a professional. In this video, we'll be covering the name error, the value error, and the reference error. Formula errors in Excel usually indicate there are problems with the formula's syntax, the references it uses, or the data types involved. Each type of error gives specific hints about what might be wrong. For example, if you write a sum formula for cells A1 through A10, but it results in a name error, it indicates that Excel doesn't recognize what you're trying to calculate. This error will be explored further. The name error occurs when Excel does not recognize a function name or text used in your formula. Here are some common examples: using sum instead of sum, using VLOOKUP instead of VLOOKUP, and forgetting quotation marks around text, such as writing if A1 is greater than 10, yes, no, instead of if A1 is greater than 10, yes, no, with quotation marks. To fix the name error, carefully check the spelling of your function names. For example, if you have the formula equals sum open parenthesis A1 colon A10 close parenthesis, which is incorrect, correct it to equal sum open parenthesis A1 colon A10 close parenthesis by changing sum to sum. This correction will resolve the name error. The value error appears when the wrong type of data is used in a formula or function. Common examples include trying to add a number to text, which Excel can't compute, using an invalid date, such as the 15th month in the date function, or attempting to take the square root of a text string. To fix the value error, ensure that you're using the correct data types in your formulas. For instance, if cell A1 contains text but you want to use it as a number, you can convert it using the value function. So instead of writing the formula equals A1 plus B1, use equals value open parenthesis A1 close parenthesis plus B1, which converts the text in A1 to a number, allowing the formula to calculate correctly. The reference error occurs when a formula refers to cells that no longer exist or are invalid. This often happens when rows or columns are deleted, invalid sheet references are used, or external links are broken. It's Excel's way of saying it can't find where it's supposed to be looking. Here are some pro tips for troubleshooting errors in Excel. First, use formula auditing. Pressing the F2 key while in a cell will highlight the cell references in different colors, helping you see what's being used in the formula. Second, use the error checking tool found under the Formulas tab to automatically find and fix errors. Third, trace precedence by using the Formulas tab, then trace precedence to see which cells feed into your formula. Fourth, step-by-step evaluation. Pressing the F9 key while editing the formula will evaluate parts of the formula separately. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.